Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and removing any wired or Bluetooth audio device. This ensures you adjust the device speaker, not an accessory. Once done, open Settings or pull down the Quick Control shade to access sound tiles. Make sure to find the Sound, Volume, or Sound and Vibration entry. Different manufacturers name it differently because that central menu exposes all the sliders and profiles you need to change volume levels precisely. You now adjust the specific sliders, media, ringtone, call, alarm, to target what you want louder or quieter. Use the physical volume buttons for quick changes, then tap the expanded settings to separate media from ringtone. Once done, choose a profile like Do Not Disturb or Vibrate when you need silence, and make sure apps with their own audio controls, music, maps, are set correctly so changes apply where you expect them to. You finish by testing. Play a song, make a quick call, and set an alarm to verify each slider's effect. If you hear nothing, make sure Bluetooth isn't routing audio elsewhere, Do Not Disturb is off, the mute switch isn't enabled, and the app has audio permission. If problems persist, restart the phone and, if necessary, reset sound settings. Make sure to back up any custom profiles beforehand so you can restore preferred volumes quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.